Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install SSH. SSH is very useful if you have, for example, a whole rack full of servers and don't have any keyboard, mouse, or monitor hooked up to it and still need to have access to it. And SSH connects you right to the console to the machine you need to have access to, and it's gonna be a very short tutorial because it's not a lot to it, at least not in the basic configuration. If you want to use a little bit more complex configuration and restrict the access to it, then yeah, you gotta dig through those configuration files, and I'm just showing you how to install it and make sure that you're using the protocol version number 2, uh, because of version 1 had some security flaws and they fixed it in version 2. So yeah, just let's get started. To begin with, we have to install SSH, and in order to do that we say sudo and then apt-get install let's open SSH server and hit enter. And usually it would ask you for a username and password, but I installed something earlier, so it cached it. So it's a pretty short download and installation here. Should be done here in any second. And when that is done, the SSH server should be running automatically. We'll verify that here very quick. Now it's generating security keys for the connection between your computer and the destination one. Alright, and now have a quick look if our SSH is running. SSH, enter, and right here you can see that our server is running. Alright, then now have a look at the configuration file. Use sudo and then nano etc SSH and then sshd underscore config, and then if you see here, SSH is listening on port 22, and then here you can specify what IP address or what subnet should have access, and here it is, the protocol number 2. So that's important. Should be installed on by default with any Ubuntu distribution. But if you use something else, just go in here and verify if it's a protocol 2, and if not, change it to this one, and then just restart the service and you're good to go. Alright, get out of here, and that's about it. In the next tutorial I'll show you how we access the server via SSH, and then actually I'm going to install NFS services and show you how to configure a share that you can easily access within a subnet we specify. So I will see you guys again in the next tutorial, and have a good evening.